In this video, we're going to go through how to actually sell a consignment unit, and it's really the exact same process you'd go through to sell a customer-owned unit of any other type. Basically, Lizzy is tricking itself into thinking that you own that bike or that unit, and therefore there isn't really anything for the salesperson that's any different than anything else. Lizzy will figure out what the unit costs based on those parameters that you set up when you actually brought the unit in. But other than that, everything is pretty much the same. So what we're going to do is we're on a major unit deal. We've selected the customer that we want to sell it to, and we're just going to go ahead and tell it to add a unit. And I'm going to type in the VIN number of that particular unit that we had worked on in the previous video. So this, you can see the news demo type on the unit is actually a consignment. And then we have all of the information that was here and available over there. So we're just going to tell it to add and close the control. And now we have added the unit to the deal. So there's nothing special about selling a consignment unit versus any other type of unit. And there really isn't any difference in working with it. For example, if we edit the unit, you can see that we have information in here for all of our prices and other stuff, just like we would on any other unit that we were trying to sell. So it's brought in the price that we wanted to sell it for. It's got the cost listed for what we're going to end up paying the consignee. So, you know, everything is pretty much the same for the person that's selling it. Now, you will have payoff information up here at the top on a consignment unit. So if there is payoff, and you'll notice up here, you just type in the field, select who the vendor is that we're going to end up having to pay. So there really isn't anything up here to do unless we actually have payoff information that needs to be supplied. But once the deal is done and you save the changes and close the deal out, everything else will happen, for all intents and purposes, just like any other deal that you were trying to sell a unit.